Good morning, class. Our lesson for today is about classification of hand tools. The first one is measuring tools. Tool push rule is a flexible tape that slides into a material case and it is used to measure irregular and regular shapes. Second one, ruler. 12-inch or 1 foot rule and it is used to take and make simple measurement. Meter stick used to measure a workpiece. Try square. It is used to measure squaring, measuring, and testing tools used to check adjacent surface for squareness. And last, measuring tools is caliper, used to transfer measurement from the rule to the work. Marking lining tools. First one is pencil. It is used to lay out or mark cutting lines. Marking gouge, wood or metal tool consisting of a beam, head, and a point used to mark a line parallel to the grain of the wood. Chalk line. It is used to establish a straight line on a surface. Divider. Tool with two metal legs used to lay out an arc circle or step of division on a line. Compass, used to describe arcs and circle in a metal wood. C. Testing tools. Tri-square is a tool used in squaring, measuring, and testing the squareness of a wood. Steel square. Framing square used to mark out the work for squaring and checking of angles, and it is used in construction of roof framing and large furnitures. Spirit level. Tool used for testing vertical and horizontal surface. Letter D. Edge cutting tools. The first one is chisel. Tool used to trim and shape wood. Second one, plane, used to obtain a smooth and flat surface. Spoke shave, small plane-like tool from irregularly shaped object. Cabinet scraper, rectangular piece of steel with two cutting edges used for working flat and curved shapes. Next, tooth cutting tools. The first one, cross-cut saw. Hand saw used to cut the wood across the grain. Second one, rip saw. Hand saw used to cut the wood along the grain. Next, back saw. Hand saw with a metal back and plywood and joinery. Compass saw. Used to cut irregular shape either in large or small board. Capping saw. U-shaped saw used for cutting irregular shape in small board. Dovetail saw, small back saw with a straight chisel type handle used to cut very fine joints. Boring tools, auger bit tool used to make hole in woods. Next, expansive bit tool used to drill holes of various size in woods. Drill bit tool used for boring holes either in metal, woods, or plastics. Holding tools. The first one is C-clamp. It is used for holding together pieces of lumber while working. Bench vise, used to hold any materials or tools in place. Bar clamp, used to hold large boards or frames together while assembling or gluing. Miscellaneous tools. First one, oilstone, used for sharpening edge cutting tools such as chisel. Files, used to smoothen metal and wood surface. Paintbrush, used to apply paint or varnish on wood surface. Next, nail set, used to drive the head of nails lower than surface of wood. Saw set, used to bend the upper half of each tooth to one side or the other to form a set. Portable power tools. The first one, sander. Portable power tool used for sanding furniture pieces. Second one, router. Used for shaping surfaces and edges of furniture parts. Next, jigsaw. Power tool used primarily for cutting curved or irregular shape of wood surface. Circular saw. Power saw used for many types of cutting, particularly on large panel stock. Electric drill. Power drill which is used to drill holes in various materials to perform a multiple task. PPE or personal protective equipment. The first one, goggles. It is used to protect the eyes against flying debris and harmful liquids. Second one, ear protector. It is used to protect the ears against high frequency noise. Face mask. It is used to prevent the inhalation of spray paint fumes. Gloves. It is used to protect the hands while working. Driving tools. Claw hammer. It is used to drive and pull out nails on wooden surface. Mallet is made out of wood or rubber used to drive other tools like chisel. Nail set. It is used in setting the head of a finishing nail below the surface of the wood. Screwdriver is used to drive and loosen the screw. Definition of terms. The first one, finishing materials. It is the chemical or substance applied in finishing carpentry. Next, hardware. It is the metal supplies used in furnitures. Inventory, the accounting of tools and materials. Label, refers to the indicate name of tools and equipment. Lubricant, oils or grease which is used to help the machine to run smoothly. Mensuration, the act of art of measuring. Perimeter, the bounding line or curve of a plane area. Power tools, handy machine or operated by current or electricity. Scaler, it is used to mark for use in measurement. Segregate is a set aside things from the others. Standard, it is serves as a measure of reference. Stock refers to a lumber for a certain carpentry job. Store, This is to put tools and materials in their proper places. Substrate. Wood to be cut in a cutting machine. Our activity direction. Write opposite the given materials and tools their corresponding uses. You can write it on a one whole sheet of paper to be passed on Wednesday. That's all, class. Thank you for listening.